If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, we back with another video. It's your boy 302, and as you can see, yeah, we outside with the boss. And man, I gotta tell you, I know since the weather didn't change and everything didn't calm down a little bit, it's not so hot outside, but man, I gotta tell you, this car has been running so good, like oh my god, it's been running so good. So today in this video I'm gonna dedicate to Nightmare, my twin turbo boss 302, and today we are going to the car spot. We're going to the car spot. It's a car spot that's not too far from where I'm at right now. And today it's time for Nightmare to get pampered. You know, just taken care of, toenails, fingernails clean. You know, just a nice ceramic coat, all that good stuff for the car. So we about to get in the car and do that. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and yeah, man, we're gonna take care of the boss today. You know, make the boss feel good and happy. Look, got bird doodle on the car. Come on. So yeah, we about to do that. Let's get us started and do that. Let me give y'all a cold start in the turbo car. E85. See, it ain't much of a turbo cars don't have much of a cold start like that, so it was kind of quiet or whatever. But yeah, of course, you know, we got a gas sub. As you can see, my fuel percentage is low, so we about to go up here to this gas station to get some gas. Yeah, man, I think the car deserves a nice little bath, man. You know, car been treating me right, man. Car been treating me good. So yeah, we about to we ain't about to fill up with E85, but we about to put some E85 in here. You know, this is a dedicated E85 car. I only run 93 if I got a road trip or I'm traveling somewhere far. What's your E85 gas prices? Ours is $3.29 right here. It used to be $2.15, but you know how that go. But yeah, leave down in the comments where how much E85 is by you. You know, in every video I gotta fill up, like I think every video I ever made, I'm going to the gas station in there. I'm gonna fact check that to see if that's true or not, but it's like every video I make, I'm damn at the gas station. I always gotta go to the gas station before I make whatever move I'm about to make, but it's just how it go. Gas ain't cheap, man, it's expensive. Now, I ain't gonna lie, the only thing I am worried about is, I don't like that they actually have to drive your car through, like, manual people, I don't know, man. Maybe it's just me. I don't like other people driving my car. Like, I don't know if the person that has to move the car through knows how to drive a manual or not. Maybe he does, but it's not that good. Maybe it's just, I don't know. Like, I got a performance clutch in here and stuff like that, so it's not your average normal manual car. Like, this clutch pedal is kind of heavy, and I don't want to burn it up my clutch or nothing like that. But I guess we're gonna have to see. I'm gonna ask him too. Hey, you know what you're doing, right? Because I could drive it through there by myself if that's the case. But we'll see when we get there. Y'all stay tuned. We almost there. And we are here, YouTube, as you can see. Car spot, baby. Get to wash my baby up and clean her, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. Man, but of course, you know, my car's too low to go through the wash. So I had to pay extra for a hand wash. So yeah, we're about to get it hand washed in detail, which is probably gonna take forever. But you know, it is what it is. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Yeah, it's all good, man. You see me out here getting it clean at the car spot. Yeah, really wish I could have went through the machine. I actually thought they had like a belt, but I guess they didn't. So it's all good. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're getting the inside vacuumed out. All right, man. The inside is done. Now it's time to do the outside. Like I said, I had to get the hand wash because I couldn't go through the damn tunnel like everybody else. The car is low as hell, as you can see. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna keep going. I'm gonna give y'all an update when it's done.
That'd be crazy. Like, what you mean? And I told him there's only a couple of setups on how they usually do it. You know, usually have the engine, or sometimes, even if it's front engine, you have it with exhaust goes.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, push.
Yeah,
I didn't realize until I saw look in the back and the front. Yeah, what you pushing?
Probably about 1,000.
Oh, like a set tune or just all day?
Nah, it's a set tune.
Oh.
Yeah. It's I got it. Like I said, I did a lot of work to it. You can see my YouTube channel on
yeah, I just followed it.
Yeah, I got a lot of work done to it, so I got a dyno video and all that, so I can prove to you that it make about 1,000.
I found the YouTube. I'm gonna look it up. So I'm gonna watch later. I'm gonna follow the Instagram because I'm part of Daily Driven.
I know David Driven. I know David Driven.
You know, the charity bands, free and everything. So.
Yeah.
But it was one of the things I was telling one of my coworkers up there. It was that challenge up pull around. I was like, they keep rubbing. I said, listen, it's one of those things where they don't know I'm pushing some heavy weight. Meanwhile, he's just revving his engine. I told him, you gapped that person by a bus.
He came over there and talked to me. I showed him a little bit of it. I definitely showed him.
Cause see, we know in the car, well, you see anybody on a tire. The tire is you risking it.
Yeah.
You risking it, but you got both front and back. Yeah, you might want to sit down.
Boy, it ain't raining in 2 weeks out here. I take my car to go get detailed and look at the sky. Now, you know how it go, man. Don't tell me I waste my money, man. But it's all good, man. Thrill 2 gang, we out of here.